If I ask you a simple question that where would you expect to be in coming 5 years? Tricky question? Yeah, I remember in one of the business seminar, one person had asked me that Sumit, where do you expect to be in 5 years? And the answer was it was quite different, but check, is it same for you or not? Because I replied to that person with the same conviction that I would check my last 5 years. 5 years before where I was, and after 5 years where I am today. So where I am today is not based on what I have done today or 1 year before or 2 years before. My 5 years, after 5 years where I am, it has been designed what I have done each and every day of my life 5 years before. What was my daily routine? What I was used to do in each and every day? Was my to-do list was prepared? I was consistent in my activities according to my to-do list? I can say you one thing, and I can guarantee I can say you one thing, that my 5 years will be defined by what I am doing today, just right now, based on my today's activity, next week activities, next month activities is going to define the next 5 years. And if I look back 5 years before what I used to do, it's completely mess up. I was in an illusion that if I go with the flow, one day I will reach somewhere. The human being is the only species in the world who have the choice of freedom of choice. Any other animals or even trees, they do not have. For trees, they can grow to their maximum. There is no limitation. But for human being, they can choose. So what will be my next 5 years is going to design by my today's work. If I have a vision where I want to reach, it has already been chalked down. Everything has been jotted down. And accordingly, am I making my to-do list and am executing all those to-do lists every day or not? If I want to become a millionaire in next 5 years, my action should be what millionaires actually doing today. If I know how to become a millionaire today, I should be a millionaire, right? So if I want to, whatever, not a millionaire, I'm just giving an example. If I want to become a world-renowned public speaker, if I want to become a business coach, whatever the field, if I want to become a sportsman, I have to decide today, and my everyday's activities is going to ensure that will I reach on that position after 5 years or not. So I would like to ask a simple question to you. Please check today where you are, what you are doing from last 5 years. Because of those reasons today you are here. I don't believe on luck. It's a luck in my definition also. Of course, I heard from different books, I read different books, and from there what I understood, that if opportunity meets with preparation, it's called luck. And if I am not prepared properly, then how I will be lucky? Of course, I should be lucky if my preparation is good. So check, it's a very vital question, and it's also a hard question to ask yourself as well, that what I have done in last 5 years. Today, check your position where you have reached Is it your ultimate potential where you want to reach 5 years before, or you are lagging behind, or you have already exceeded where you want to reach? If you have already exceeded, congratulations, many congratulations. If you are not, check where thing goes wrong, where thing went wrong. This is Sumit Paul signing out until we meet again.